Do you know the best ways a beginner can make money from Bamboo app? That is exactly what I'm talking to you about in this video. The Bamboo app has become one of the most popular platforms for Nigerians looking to invest in local and international stocks. With access to over 3,000 stocks and exchange traded funds from the US and Nigerian Stock Exchange, Bamboo makes it easier for beginners to start their investment journey. If you are new to the app and wondering how you can make money, here are the 4 best strategies to get started. Number 1 is to invest in dividend-paying stocks. One of the easiest ways to make money as a beginner is by buying stocks that pay dividends. These are companies that share part of their profits with shareholders, usually every quarter. Example, buying shares in companies like Coca-Cola or Apple on Bamboo gives you access to dividends in dollars. Why it works? Even if the stock price doesn't grow fast, you earn regular cash payouts just for holding the stock. Reinvest your dividends into more shares, dividend reinvestments, to grow your portfolio faster. Number 2 way is to grow wealth through long-term stock holding. You buy and hold. The stock market rewards patience. By buying strong, reputable companies and holding them for years, you can benefit from price appreciation. Example, if you bought Amazon shares years ago, their value has multiplied several times. Why does this work? Over time, the global stock market tends to grow and Bamboo gives you access to top performing US companies. Focus on companies with proven growth records, tech, healthcare, and finance rather than chasing quick profits. Number 3, reinvest in exchange traded funds. For beginners who don't want to stress about picking individual stocks, ETFs are a smart option. An ETF allows you to invest in a basket of companies at once. Example, with one ETF, you can own shares in the top 500 US companies like the S&P 500 ETF. Why does this work? It reduces risk because you are not depending on a single company's success. Look for ETFs that track stable indexes like the S&P 500 or Nasdaq for steady growth. Number 4 way is to leverage dollar investments against Naira inflation. Beyond stock profits, simply holding dollar-based investments on Bamboo helps protect your money from Naira depreciation. Example, if the Naira weakens against the dollar, your stock holdings on the Bamboo increase in local value, even if the stock price remains stable. Why does this work? This dual benefit of stock growth and currency protection makes Bamboo attractive for Nigerians. Consistently fund your Bamboo wallet in dollars, even with small amounts, to grow your investments over time. This is my conclusion. The Bamboo app is not just a trading platform, it is a tool for wealth creation, dollar savings, and global investment access. As a beginner, focus on dividend stocks, long-term holdings, ETFs, and dollar protection to make steady, legal, and sustainable income. Start small, stay consistent, and let time work in your favor. If you want more content like this, you can let me know in the comment section below. Please subscribe to this channel, like this video, share the link of this video with your family and friends, and keep coming back to this channel for more content like this. If you want to watch more of my videos, this video popping up for my channel is the next one you should go ahead and watch now. I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.